In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from bank to Apple Pay. Apple Pay itself doesn't directly hold funds like a traditional bank. Instead, it uses your Apple Cash balance, which you can fund from your bank. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple Cash card. From there, select the Add Money option. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you'd like to transfer from your bank to your Apple Cash balance. This amount can be as little as $1, and there's typically a daily maximum depending on your bank or Apple's policies. Make sure your debit card is already linked. This is important because Apple Pay currently supports bank transfers through debit cards only, not direct ACH transfers from checking accounts. After entering the amount, you'll confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. The money will usually appear instantly in your Apple Cash balance if you're using an eligible debit card, although in some cases, it may take a few minutes. If you've never added a debit card before, you'll need to go into your iPhone settings, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay, and then choose Add Card. Follow the prompts to link your bank-issued debit card. Once added and verified, it will appear as a funding source for Apple Cash. This entire process is fee-free as long as you're using a debit card. Using a credit card isn't supported for Apple Cash top-ups. With everything in place, you now have the flexibility to use your Apple Pay balance across online and in-store purchases, or to quickly send money to friends and family. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.